Hello. Introduce yourself and your academic role.
Okay, so my name is Nigam Jacoina. I'm a fourth year BSMS student. I suppose.
Okay. Um, Point out your election manifesto and briefly explain your main goal.
So, given that we are in an online semester right now, and I think we'll most probably be in an online semester for a while. So, I'll just cover it in major three broad points. One thing that I noticed was that the communication between the administration and the students it was not up to the mark, and I think I would like to improve that. Secondly, the counseling services at our college are sort of sporadic and not very, again, not up to the mark, and I would also definitely like to improve on that, maybe increase the accessibility. And thirdly, I think I would also I guess it's a sort of a small uh, problem, but you like the extracurricular activities in our college are sort of mm, kind of on a standstill, and I think I would like to improve that as well. The funding that the clubs get are usually not in a systematic way, and I think I would like to work on that.
Okay. Is there any specific committee or specific post you wish to represent as a council member?
Well, given that I just mentioned the clubs, I think I would like to work for the financial subcommittee. Maybe I think I would be interested in maybe making the system more streamlined between the administration and the clubs, so that club activities themselves do not get affected. And yeah,
Okay. So as you are in fourth year, why didn't you stand for the council election previous years?
well, given that the previous year was our first student council, so I I honestly was not confident enough, and I generally just wanted to see how it rolled out once. And once I have seen how, like, since the year has gone by now, and I've seen how the workings, how the inner mechanisms are of the system, I think now I'm ready to be a part of it.
Okay. So what's your evaluation about the last year council?
I think the student council last year did an exceptional job at with given this whole circumstances. I think part of it was offline, part of it was most of it was online, offline and online. Yeah. So I think the given their circumstances, given the kind of support they have, given the kind of situations they were in, I think they did a pretty good job, and I would like to, if not better than them, or then at least do as good a job as they did.
Okay. So according to you, what are the problems faced by the student community?
I think given that we are in an online semester, I think I mentioned this before as well. One really major important problem that we all face, and I personally also faced, was the communication between the admin and the student body. Much of the emails that were sent to us were not timely, or were not responded to very well, or they were sort of delayed as well, and that leaves the student body in a very tricky, very confused position. And just to do away with that, just so that my like the coming years, the coming batches do not have to face the same thing, I think I would like to definitely make a change so that the online semester itself is not affected, so that the student body are rest assured. And yeah, I would like to do that.
Okay, so how do you plan to maintain communication and connection between admins and the student community?
I think I'll recount personal experience. Much of the emails that I would say sent to the academic office would not be responded to on a timely manner, and uh, given that, like, I think we all are aware at this point that there's this whole systematic thing where they sometimes send us a form to fill in our queries, our concerns, our doubts, and but then those as well are not very responded quickly. I would like to change that, and I would at least try to make communication happen as quickly as possible, so the students do not have to worry about their concerns, their doubts.
Okay, okay. So your last question is, what make you stand out from other candidates? Why should students should vote you? What makes you special? Stand out from others?
I think, given that the student council last year, it was like the first time, and this is the second year now. So I I genuinely, this might sound like a cliche answer, but I genuinely would like to do it for representation, for diversity. I think the last student council, I mean, I did see a lot of representatives. I saw there were many female representatives standing who nominated themselves, and that was pretty commendable. But then, given how you see this year, there have been very few nominations. I think there have only been three female candidates as well. So one part being that I would like to do it for diversity. I would like to do it for representation. Another part being that the student council needs to be seen as a really important thing, something that we really require in our college. And I would maybe like to at least try to inspire the coming batches to take up this role, because it's generally a good role. It's uh, and people should really come up ahead and take it up. And yeah, it does mean a lot to the college itself. So yeah, I would like to do it for that.
Okay, okay. So think we are done. Okay, thank you for your time and consideration. Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. All the best for the elections.
Thank you.